Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CS with Rahul. In today's video, I am going to cover one most important question which is related to the Java 8. And this question is maximum interviewer are asking in interviews. So the question is removing duplicate elements from string list. So guys, what we have to do, we have given some list like Java, Python, C Sharp, then again Java, Kotlin, Python, means list of string we would be have given. So what we have to do, we have to remove the duplicates and we have to print the unique elements. This is for the string. So we will see that how we can do this by using the Java 8 stream APIs, right? After that, we will see that how can we do it for the integer elements also, right? If any list is there for the integer, then how can we do it? So without delay, let's get started. So guys, before starting the coding, let me tell you one thing, that I am creating and I am uploading the videos in both the languages. Like whatever the coding problems I am solving in the English language, same as I have explained in the Hindi also. If you are comfortable in Hindi language, you can go to my playlist, you can watch there. If you are not comfortable with Hindi, you can be here with this video, and with this playlist you can definitely understand in your comfortable language. As well as, let me tell you that I have covered some of the concepts related thing in Java short views, so you can play all videos and you can recap your knowledge, you can revise your concepts, right? So let's start that how can we do coding for this problem. So our today's question is, which is very important, that we have been given a list of string and we have to find out, we have to remove the duplicates, we have to print out the only unique elements. That how can we do? Let's see. Guys, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it, because your subscription, this is just free of cost. Everything I'm uploading, and I will be preparing some other playlist also which will helpful your in your Java journey. So if you will subscribe my channel, this will motivate me so that I will be uploading more new things, new concepts I will give to you. Okay, so I have created one class already which is remove duplicate string elements, right? Here first my task would be, like, I have to create the list first. So string, here I am creating one list and I am using that arrays dot as list. I am not taking this from user input. Your task is to do, when you are practicing after watching my videos, your task is to just take the input from the user, then add to the list, and then perform the operation. So this will give you the dynamic exposure, right? In next video, definitely I will be do that. I will be taking the input from the user. Many of the videos which I have uploaded, I have taken those things from user itself. So let me create one list. Here I'm typing first of all like Java, C language, and Spring, okay, and then boot. Again I'm putting like C, again I'm putting like boot, again I'm putting like Java. So what we have to do, whatever the elements are more than 2 times, we have to print it only 1 times. We have to collect it only 1 time. So what we are doing, we are removing the duplicates. Removing the duplicates. So guys, first of all, our thinking process should be like that we are doing what? We are doing removal and we are using the Java 8. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to create the stream first. So how can we create the stream? As in the previous videos also, we have to call this stream method. After that, what we have to do? After creating the stream, this is very simple guys. In the stream, we have one method called distinct, okay. So here we do not need to put any logic, anything. We are just calling the distinct method. This is very easy question which you have to keep in your mind, and you can do this by this approach only. This is very useful and very easy approach, okay. After that, what we need to do, as usual, we are collecting it, right? We are collecting it, collectors dot to list. In the list we have collected it, right? What we can do, we can directly print it also, as well as what we can do, we can store it also. Okay, why I'm storing? Because I'm going to tell you one more thing. Result list. So this is list dot stream. Okay, so this is what, this is our program. As simple as, we have to call the district only. District will, what it will do, it will remove the duplicate element and it will store by the collector. We are storing in the result list, which is unique list. So how I am doing this, there are many approaches to print. Here also, when you are directly need to print directly, you can call the for each method, as well as, let me call it system.out.println. Why I'm covering all these questions? Because this would be in my playlist, so that you will be remembering it, that we have covered these many questions, as well as you will be getting a lot of questions in a playlist. That's why I'm creating and covering this easy question also, right? So we are calling just district, that's it, nothing extra. Let me right click here and run as Java program. Let me right click, run as Java application. So once we will see that, wait, I have done what mistake? Let me check it. Yes guys, what we need to do, we have to print the result list. By mistake I have written here the list, result list. Save it, run as Java application. This was your previous list, Java, C, and then Spring Boot, C, Boot, Java again. Then what we have to do, right click, run as Java application, and we can see Java, C, Spring Boot only. Means whatever the element was 2 times, already removed. Guys, another approach, that how can we print this result? Suppose this is in the list currently. If I want to print it in the as a single element in one line, then how can I do it? Result list dot, I can call here the for each method. Then we will use here the lambda expression, means we will take one string, and after that one string, what we have to do, system.out.println, and we will print out what? S, means one by one element will come and it will be printed directly. See the difference in the output. Run as Java application. Now you can see guys, Java, C, Spring Boot in the separate line. So whatever the approach you want, you can do it, right? You can print it. If you want to store it, then store it. Otherwise directly you can use the for each method here itself by removing the collect method. Okay, let me do that also. So what I'm doing here, dot, I'm calling that for each. Here what we can do, here we can call the here we can do directly method reference, but we don't need to store it here, we have to remove it. Okay, save, run as Java application, and you will see the output. Here I have not given the println. Once I will give the println, it will be printed in the new line. Okay, so this is our output. Whatever the method you want, you can do it. Okay, whatever the things you want, you can do it. Let me do it like this, Control Z, so that it will be easier for you. So I hope guys you are clear with this easy question, okay, with this easy concept. Now if you like my video, please do hit the like button. Share this video to your friends who are preparing for the Java 8 and preparing for the interviews, preparing for the codings. Comment if you have any doubt or you want to cover some more questions. Please comment it. Tell me yes, cover more questions. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the updated notification very soon. Next, we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, keep coding.